At the main station, did a comment and there post like, she da really.
She goes to the miss.
We were at the main stage. Oh,
Oh, you know business. Alright. There's a few for around video. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I have someone here with me today. Introduce yourself, miss. Anyways, this is my friend Cam, and I don't think it's the first time on my channel. Probably the first time a sit down video, but she's been in vlogs before. And yeah, she doesn't have a YouTube, but I'll leave her Instagram down below. You guys can go and follow her. I'll leave it in the description. So yeah, so today we're gonna do a gingerbread house kit, and this is the one we got. And I picked this up from Kroger, and it was for $10. And it's the, I think the Peanuts edition, the cartoon Peanuts. Yeah, so if you guys know that, that's the one we're doing today. So we are gonna just put this together, have a little chit chat. And before I get started, please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below if you guys are enjoying the Christmas season, the Christmas holidays. And yeah, and also I posted a story on my Instagram so you guys could ask some questions, so you guys can answer those right now in this video. So occasionally I'll ask a question, I'll answer the questions that you guys ask, and we'll just take it from there. So yeah. First question of the night. This is from Mona X Banks, and that's Mona B here on YouTube. And her question is, what's your favorite dish to wash? What's your favorite dish to cook? Oh god.
I like salmon, like pan-seared salmon.
What's your favorite dish to cook?
Or
I'm gonna cook.
Like,
I'm gonna have one favorite.
Like,
I'm gonna have one favorite favorite dish. Come as I cook. As I cook different things.
Your shrimp pineapple nice.
I'm gonna cook that all the time. That's what I'm gonna say. Probably tacos.
Taco Tuesday or Friday.
Oh, we eat tacos every Friday.
Yeah,
so probably that. And
Your patty?
The black bean burger.
Yeah, that was just, I don't mean Mr. Patty. American patty.
Yeah, the black bean burger and tacos. Yeah. Probably that's my two favorite. Even though me cook a lot of stuff, a lot of different stuff. I also try experiment with different.
Can we get more
different recipes?
We're so greedy. We always have to try a new recipe.
Would you live in apart from Georgia? As you guys know, we live in Georgia. So she's asking what other state I would want to live apart from Georgia. And my answer is probably Florida.
Yeah, that makes it too. Because it feels like home. I would have like a beach.
If you guys don't know, anyone is new to my channel, we're from Jamaica. So Florida feels closest to home, so probably I would say Florida.
At least we have beach, at least we don't have to worry about snow like down here. Like, it's cute for dress up, but you know.
So Florida.
Yeah,
Florida.
That makes sense. Them consider Florida like a next parish to Jamaica.
Yeah. Like a lot of persons who migrate from Jamaica go Florida. You just
the weather similar, everything.
Yeah. So it feels like you're back home. Alright, finish the side here.
So snow upon everywhere upon the house, yeah.
So yeah, all lady.
Snow too, no.
Kaka
Snow the fall power gingerbread.
Alright. Next question from Candy Apple Momo again. Where do you see yourself in the next 5 years?
5 years.
In the next, in the next 5 years?
I know. Don't say that. Don't.
Alright, next 5 years, hopefully.
Next 5 years, because I want to go back to school. So probably finishing up school and, you know, to further my career.
And get married.
Career first.
Shut up. Walk your feet.
I mean,
Walk your feet. Anyways, for me in the next 5 years, hopefully I'll have a child. Because somebody asked, one, I'm answering 2 questions in one. Someone asks when
drop
will I
baby.
be having a child, and the next that I'm answering that question. Hopefully in the next 5 years I'll have at least one.
Yeah, and that baby.
And that's that. In the next 5 years, hopefully I'll have at least one child.
The baby will go about 4.
Excuse me. Alright, next question, my dear. And it's from... Oh, let me answer the question here. It's from Patty's World. Her question is, where me get friend from? And she's referring to this young lady sitting right here. We went to high school together. Yes, so that's where we get friends from, Miss Patty.
Yeah. But fun fact, we weren't friends in high schools, you know, like we never friends, we just see each other.
We just know each other.
Yeah,
we weren't in any classes, any nothing.
Nothing. And then I think we see her post from Facebook, take picture and the tag for the location, say Atlanta, Georgia. And I said, I thought she there because me just come and I have no friend, I don't know a soul, I don't know nobody. And I think me DM her, me say, hey girl. And then, yeah, we link up. Bench and back.
And the rest is history. The rest is history.
Yep.
The rest is history. Just every day backward.
Yep.
Much time I made it just on the phone.
I'm alive.
I hear my husband and say, who you talk to?
I said, I can't do something. You should share my turn.
Who you talk to?
Because I'm gonna have one of my friends here. I'm gonna
talk to. I don't have nobody else to talk to. Is it that you may talk to?
Or Momo.
Or Momo. Can they have a Momo? Or if me a text, me would text Patty.
Oh, yes,
only 3 person. I mean, I have nobody to talk to. No, you know. Me meet Patty from YouTube. Me can have a Momo from YouTube. Me she from YouTube same way. I don't really talk to nobody else. I don't really have no friend here like that. So I just talk to whoever, you know.
Oh. Keep
So,
up, stuck in keep up.
9 times out of 10 times I see me on the phone and she may talk to. And she may talk to. You don't even have to ask.
We're gonna find a life. Don't worry. We're gonna find a life.
She may talk to. If I know she, I'm Momo.
Girl, don't.
Anyways, that's the end of the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and yeah, this is just something different I wanted to do on my channel. Seeing that it's Christmas time or it's the holidays, why not do a gingerbread house? But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Comment what's your favorite thing to do on Christmas, in the holidays, and give me a thumbs up, and please turn on your post notifications so you don't miss when I post a new
Hit that
video.
bell.
So yeah, until my next video, bye guys.